Awaken your inner cosmic energy. In Nada Yoga, sound bridges body and spirit. 7 sacred Swaras mirror our chakras, unlocking pathways of healing and transformation. Sa anchors you in Earth's grounding embrace, while Re engenders creative flow like gentle water. Ga fuels inner power with fiery vision. Ma radiates love through tender air, and Pa liberates truth with resonant clarity. Dha opens intuition with cosmic sound, leading you to wisdom. And I unites all energies, inviting divine connection. Embrace this journey of sound and vibration as you kindle your spiritual awakening. Discover deeper harmony within. Let each note guide your meditation and ignite the temple of your soul. Like, share, and subscribe. Begin your journey now to experience balance, healing, and spiritual transformation through the sacred power of Nada Yoga. Embrace it fully.